Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I'm Sangwoo Kim. In this video, I would like to introduce pairwise conjoint analysis, focused on how to get conjoint data and how to calculate each respondent's utilities. As you may know, Sawtooth is one of the excellent commercialized conjoint analysis tools. It covers creating conjoint design, collecting conjoint data from customer survey, and analyzing conjoint data by suitable methodologies, such as traditional conjoint analysis, adaptive conjoint analysis, and choice-based conjoint analysis, etc. Let me use Sato's tutorial data to explain about pairwise conjoint analysis for this video. If you install Lighthouse Studio, you can see this screen. And if you click Help and go to Tutorial and Conjoint Value Analysis, then you may see these help documents. It's very useful and practical to understand about conjoint analysis. So as I mentioned in this video, I will focus on pairwise method. So go to CVA help, and if you click CVA tutorial and example, you will see this output. Right. So this example actually explains about pairwise conjoint analysis. There are three attributes, and for each attribute, it has three different labels. For pairwise conjoint analysis, you may ask this type of questionnaire for respondents, right? So there are 21 different pairwise profiles. So a respondent may click from 1 to 9 based on which profile is more preferable. Right. So in this tutorial example, there are 50 respondents data. And this is the result for ID 10, ID 11, and ID 12. There's R square and also utilities for each levels of each attribute. Right. Let me show you how to calculate utilities for ID 10 respondents data. Right. For this customer, actually, this customer chose his or her preference based on this left side profile and right side profile. So preference 3 means that this first profile, actually this customer preferred this one, right? Right. So in order to calculate in utilities, we need to convert this data into like this form. So let me show you how to do it. So S1. So there are three different levels. If this one equals 18, then 1, comma 0. And if sitting equals 24, then 1, comma 0. Right. For location, if location equals 30, then 1, comma 0. If location equals 40, then 1, comma 0. Right. For price, if price equals 2,000, and 1, comma 0. If price equals 32500, 1, 0. Right. Okay. Same logic, but for right side. Right side. Okay. So if this one equals 18, 1, 0. If this one equals 24, 1, 0. If location equals 3, 1, 0. If location equals 40, 1, 0. If price equals 1, 0. And if price equals 32500, 1, 0. Right. So it's like making this categorical labels as like dummy variable. Okay. And let me use this formula to get logic data. So P equals preference minus the smallest value is 1 plus 1 over is 9-point scale, so max is 9 plus 9 minus 1 plus 2. And finally the logic value, this one, P over 1 minus P and difference, okay, right side minus left side. Okay, so difference P2 can be calculated from right side P2 minus left side P2. Okay. Right, then let's do conjoint analysis by using this data. So let me copy and paste here. Okay. Then go to data analysis tab and choose regression. Y value and X range from column C to column H. Right. So R square here. Okay. Same as this one. And finally, we need to delete intercept. It means that we need to allocate same amount of intercept for each different regression coefficients. So let's do like this. P and paste. That's 0. TL0 E P0. Right. So we need to divide it by 3 because there are 3 attributes. Okay. And this one is same as this one. Then this one plus this one. Right. So this is utilities for each levels. So again, it's regression outputs, but the only thing you need to do lastly is to remove intercept part. Then you can have same utilities like Sawtooth outputs. Right. I hope it was useful for you to understand how to do pairwise conjoint analysis. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.